Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be going over how to navigate the Phantom wallet. This is the home screen. It shows what coins you have. I currently have Solana, very little of it. You can receive, send, swap, buy. And if you want to manage your token list, you have other coins in here. You can tap on manage token list and do that from there. Also, we have your collectibles, essentially NFTs. There's none in here, but this is where your NFTs would be if you were to buy any NFTs on Solana. Next is the swap tokens. You can swap SOL for a whole number of coins back and forth with this toggle. And these are the current trending ones. The next one over is recent activity. I won't be clicking on that because it shows a lot of what I have and what transactions that I have done. So I won't be showing that, but it pretty much shows you what you sent, what you swapped, and so on. And the last one is a navigation button. It shows sites, tokens, quests, and learn. So sites are some of the major dexes like Jupiter, which I personally use a lot to swap rather than the swap in Phantom wallet. That's a personal preference. And of course there's Radium, another dex screener, which shows a plethora of meme coins. There's thousands of them that you can trade at your own risk. Tokens, self-explanatory. Quests, sometimes there's quests that you can do for like collectibles. I did this one here. Not really worth your time, but who knows. And then of course learn basic 101s, and that's the basics of navigating your Phantom wallet. Thank you and have a good one.